Picture this. You're David, you're a logistics lead, and right now it's 4 p.m. You are staring down the barrel of a massive spreadsheet with 100,000 rows of totally raw, messy supplier data. And of course, you've got a massive strategy meeting looming at 9 a.m. tomorrow. To prep, you have to identify the top 3 performing regions, project next month's inventory needs, and somehow clean up 1,000 duplicate entries. Talk about a nightmare, right? We've all been there. So let's dive into how David tackles this in today's explainer, because the way we handle supply chain data is completely changing.
See, for decades, working in operations kind of meant acting as a human data clerk. You know the drill. Hours of tedious manual formula writing, complex X lookups that mysteriously break for absolutely no reason, and that constant nagging fear of garbage in, garbage out. But David? He's about to experience a massive shift. He's going from being a clerk, just buried in rows and columns, to becoming a pilot. The tools he already uses every single day, like Excel and Google Sheets, have evolved. They aren't just flat grids anymore. They're actually acting as a digital brain, capable of doing all that heavy lifting for him in a matter of seconds.
Now, before we show you exactly how David reclaims half his workday and crushes that morning meeting, subscribe to the channel now to ensure you are not missing on our new knowledge content on AI. We're here to help you stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving world of operations. All right, let's jump right back into David's afternoon.
Section 1. Taming the data chaos.
Okay, so David starts where the biggest headache usually begins, the data cleanup. Before he can do any real strategic analysis, he's got to tame that unstructured mess. Instead of manually clicking through endless filters and sorting rows until his eyes literally cross, David uses an AI assistant called numerous.ai directly inside his spreadsheet. And this is just so cool. With a single natural language prompt, he just types, "Standardize these dates and remove duplicates." Instantly, boom, the AI processes the command, turning unstructured chaos into a perfectly organized foundation. No manual sorting required.
But what if the data is even messier? Like, say you have supplier names spelt slightly differently across thousands of different rows. For that, David leverages tools like OpenRefine. It actually uses these advanced clustering algorithms to automatically find and merge similar entries that a human might easily miss. It's like having a superpowered auditor double-checking everything. By automating these repetitive, honestly mind-numbing tasks, David guarantees his data is accurate before the real analysis even begins, saving hours of manual audit time.
Section 2. Speaking the language of data. With the pristine dataset finally ready to go, David moves on to the strategy phase. Now he needs to run some heavy calculations to figure out customer lifetime value across different shipping cohorts. Normally, this means Googling complex syntax, nesting a bunch of functions together, and just praying you don't get an error message. But actually, David just opens Microsoft Copilot directly inside Excel. He types in plain English, "Calculate customer lifetime value with cohort retention rates." Copilot natively reads the context of his workbook, recognizes his tables, and instantly generates a dynamic array formula that spills out the exact results. It's that easy.
And he doesn't stop there. He spots a sudden sales drop in one region and really needs to understand the why behind it. So he asks Copilot for a trend analysis. The AI steps up like an interactive investigator. It identifies the outliers in the data and whips up a clear visual chart explaining the anomaly. David gets these deep, actionable insights without writing a single line of code. Section 3. From Sheets to Sensing.
Now, we all know a huge part of operations is collaboration. Shifting gears over to Google Sheets to align with his finance team, David needs to set up a brand new project budget. But he certainly doesn't want to build it from scratch. He just opens Gemini right there in Sheets and types, "Help me organize a custom project budget structure." In literal seconds, Gemini builds out a fully formatted, customized template perfectly suited for his cross-functional team. From there, David connects his spreadsheet to an AI demand sensing platform. Let's really look at how much of a leap this is. His old forecasting models, they relied on maybe 3 to 5 historical inputs, but AI demand sensing processes 20 to 40 variables simultaneously. We're talking real-time weather patterns, social media trends, geopolitical shifts, all analyzed instantly to predict near-term daily demand. It's a whole new ballgame. So what does this all mean for the business? Well, this massive analytical leap creates what's known as a one-number forecast, which beautifully aligns sales, finance, and supply chain. The results are frankly staggering. Businesses using this level of AI integration can reduce their stockouts by an incredible 60% and even cut safety stock requirements by 31%. That is absolutely game-changing efficiency.
Section 4. The Pilot in the Loop.
So we're now at the end of David's afternoon.
His entire workflow has been completely transformed, and he's fully prepped for that 9 a.m. meeting. But here is the most crucial takeaway from this explainer. David is absolutely not being replaced. He's being elevated. He is practicing something called human-centric orchestration. The AI generated the formulas, it cleaned up the mess, it sensed the demand, but David is the one applying real human industry expertise. He evaluates the AI's suggestions, makes sure the data aligns with his company's ethics and culture, and ultimately makes the final strategic calls.
Because his new digital brain handled the drudgery, David got to handle the strategy. And the best part? He actually gets to walk out of the office on time. So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. Are you ready to stop being a clerk for your spreadsheets? Because it might just be time to build your own digital brain today and start truly piloting your supply chain.